Hey guys, so excited. I got my computer all hooked up. Got my phone wired in. I can make videos again. Sharing my life. So today, I'm just using what I got. I had some leftover dough and some leftover plantain. I made the most amazing treat with just like simple ingredients. And that's while that was baking, I made some juice. This was very experimental. Worked out really well. Mint, ginger, cucumber, lemon. Then I'm going to use that as a base for my smoothie with avocado and blueberry and water. This is super messy. It's fun. From DeAinza to DeAinza. So that was super delicious.
We have every child.
And then I use my honey jar.
They're God's gift. They paved the way for them to be there.
No break. These were so delicious. I cannot believe how amazing delicious. It took no time. I put coconut oil on my hands and rubbed all this dough together. And I had just baked the bananas a little bit. Toasted those, put this on. Final touch of feta, and voila. This was crazy amazing, and I think there was 4 ingredients. Super organic.
So I want to tell this amazing story about the pauper, the beggar, and the king. So one day the king is in his garden and he's doing his thing, and all of a sudden a beggar shows up right next to him and scares him. And he's like, "Oh my God, what do you want from me? What are you doing here?" And the beggar holds his empty bowl up and says, "Fill my bowl." And so the king is like, "Oh my God, everybody, come fill this man's bowl. Bring him the best of our food." And so they do. And as soon as they fill the bowl, everything disappears. "Fill my bowl." And the king says, "Okay." And this keeps going on until the king has put the whole kingdom in the bowl. And he's like, "You've exhausted all of my resources, all of my everything. What is it? I don't understand. What is the trick?" And he said, "King, this bowl is made from the head of a human skull, and you can never fill the human head."
Oh my God, now back to my bread.
I literally cannot believe how delicious this is. Do you ever do that? Where you're like, I made this. It's so good. It's happened to me a few times. This is amazing.